Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my September 2023 Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing. I'm so excited to get into this month's glam bag because I've been having a lucky streak with Ipsy lately. I've been really happy with my glam bags and my BoxyCharm by Ipsy lately, so I'm hoping I'll like this glam bag here. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, it's a monthly beauty subscription, but it's customized to your preferences. For this glam bag, I think you get to choose one of your products. I cannot remember at all what I chose for my glam bag right now. And also a disclaimer that this is not sent to me for free. I pay for all of my Ipsy subscriptions, which I subscribe to all of the Ipsy and BoxyCharm subscriptions that are available. So I did already get my BoxyCharm box this month, and that unboxing is up here on my YouTube channel. And I just love to unbox beauty subscriptions. So if you like that type of content, then you are in the right place, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. One other little tidbit to let you know about is that I also have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product pretty much every other day. It used to be every day, but I have cut down on that. But so I'll be doing dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products that I get in this Ipsy Glam Bag as well. But so let's go ahead and get onto the unboxing here. This feels like a heavier, more full bag than I usually get. So yeah, there is a lot in here. Oh my goodness. So let's see if I got product information. Ooh, I did get product information. And so outside of my glam bag, I have two products here. This first is from the brand Context. Not familiar with this brand. It says tears are falling. No other description as to what type of product this is. So let's see. Oh, a liquid lacquer. So a liquid lipstick, I believe. Now let's see if this is actually, okay, no. So this is not one of the products in my product information here. So this is actually one of the products that I redeemed Ipsy points to get. And you earn points when you review your products in the app, or if someone signs up through your referral code, which I always have in the description of my videos. And see, I don't remember the product that I chose. I don't remember what I redeemed points for. I just have the worst memory when it comes to what I choose for Ipsy. But this looks like a pretty liquid lipstick, and I love trying out brands that are new to me. Okay, and then the other product that is not in my glam bag here, which, oh my gosh, look at how cute the design is. I love the colors, the tassel. This is very much like my taste. I really like this one. But okay, so then this here is Murillo Twins X Beauty Creations. Ooh, this is some nice packaging here. Oh, this is really cool. A face palette with some really pretty blush colors, two bronzers. I am not familiar with the Murillo Twins or Beauty Creations. Beauty Creations maybe sounds familiar, like I've maybe gotten a product before, but this looks like a really pretty palette. I love a good face palette. Let's see if this is part of my glam bag. No, so this is another product that I redeemed points for, and I seriously have no recollection of either of these products, but I am happy that my past self redeemed points for these because I am excited to try these out. But okay, now moving on to the glam bag. All right, the first product I'm going to pull out here is from Marc Anthony Repair, Bond, and Rescue Plex Concentrated Hydrating Mask. So a little hair mask here. Oh, it's sealed up or else I immediately wanted to smell it, but I use a hair mask every time I wash my hair, so I'm gonna put this in my shower right away and start using it, which is always exciting to me when I get a product that's not makeup, that's actually something I can start using right away. So I actually am in need of a hair mask, and Marc Anthony is a great hair care line. Bond repair is something that these ends definitely need. So the Mark Anthony Repair Bond Plus Rescue Plex Concentrated Hydrating Mask. The full-size version of the product is $10. And this is only a 1 ounce sample. The full size is 8 ounce for $10. That sounds like a great deal. So I'm excited to try this out. If I like it, I would totally pay $10 for a good hair mask. All right, next up. Ooh, this looks so pretty. This is from the brand Beauty for Real. And is this an eyeshadow or a lipstick? It's in the shade North Star. But look at that, this like metallic, holographic kind of violet shade. It's Beauty for Real liquid eyeshadow in the shade North Star. Ooh, this is full size, retail value of $24. So this is an exciting product to get. This looks so beautiful, going to be so fun to play around with, try it out on the eyes. So this is one, like I said, I'll try in a dedicated review video. Next, from the brand Pacifica. I feel like I never really get products from Pacifica, and this is a good brand. This is Stellar Gaze Length and Strengthening Mineral Mascara with coconut and vitamin B, 100% vegan and cruelty-free. I'm always happy to get a mascara. I love trying out mascaras, so I can't even help myself. I have to check out what the packaging looks like, which is very cute. Nice little mini travel mascara here. The Pacifica Beauty Stellar Gaze Length and Strengthen Mineral Mascara in the shade Supernova. This is a sample. The full size retails for $14. If this is a good mascara, I would pay $14 for the full size. All right. Next up, I've got, this is Wing Me Tweezers. They're cute. Not too exciting, in my opinion, for a product, but I actually could use some new tweezers, so at least this is useful. The retail value on these is $14. And then the final product in here is from the brand Livido, Inspired by Nature Patchouli, Vanilla, and Jojoba Aromatic Body Lotion, which is a little sample size. If I use this all over my body, this will probably last me like maybe a week. It smells nice. It's not exactly my like favorite type of fragrance. Patchouli, vanilla, jojoba. I'm much more into like a sweet, floral-y, fruity type fragrance. This is more, it's nice, it's relaxing, but just not exactly like my signature scent. But this one's okay to get. This is another product that at least I can use it right away. I am not thrilled with my glam bag this month. Thank goodness I got these 2 points products, which really kind of amped up my package here with the Murillo Twins face palette and the Context liquid lipstick. Because the rest of my products here, I'll continue on with a quick recap. They're fine, but nothing that is really wowing me. So I got the Pacifica mascara. We'll see if it's great or not, so I could be wowed. And then the Beauty for Real liquid eyeshadow. Happy about these two because they're makeup products. Then I got the Marc Anthony Repair Bond hair mask, which I'm happy with this, but it's such a small sample. I just feel like I barely got my money's worth with this glam bag. The other 2 products, the Wing Me Tweezers and the Livido body lotion, definitely products that I wish I could swap out for something else. But they are useful, but I don't really need them, but I'll use them. So yeah, not the best glam bag I've gotten, not the worst glam bag I've gotten. But if you've tried any of these products, of course, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on them. And let me know what you got in your Ipsy Glam Bag this month and how you're feeling about it. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.